Hello everyone! This video is about how to make an artificial tree. An artificial tree can be made on many different ways, but the easiest one is to go into the woods and to find some already broken or cutted tree. The tree should be as branched as possible. The more branches, the better. When you have found the tree and brought it to your place, you should go and find some pot and some plastic leaves for decoration. I went to Chinese. I took two sorts of leaves, one green and the other green with red edges. The color of it is not consistent, so it looks more natural. If the trunk of the tree is damaged, you should remove all parts that could affect stability of the tree. The pot should be high enough to prevent that the tree falls down. The pot can be filled with different materials, but I've decided to take about 5 kilograms of stones, and the rest will be filled with polyurethane foam. So if you would like to fill the pot with the stones, it would weigh more than 20 kilograms and it would be very difficult to move. The polyurethane spray foam should be turned upside down and shaken about 20 times before use. At the beginning, the polyurethane spray foam is almost liquid. The foam getting stiff with time, and in 3-4 hours it will be completely firm. But since the foam doesn't look too natural, on the top of it should be placed some natural layer like tree bark or similar. For fixing the leaves on the tree, I have used wires in 2 different thickness. Every leaf should be bound to prevent falling down. The thinnest branches are very dry and unstable and they should be removed. The leaves should be bound on relatively fresh branches. The tree is finished. Last check in order to see if the tree looks realistic. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.